Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Itsmisstrina. If this is your first time here, welcome. And before you go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button. As you can see here, I'm drinking my little red stripe because I was so nervous filming this look, guys. Even though this is my third time trying to film this, you know what they say, third time's a charm. I'm such a perfectionist, and I just kept re-looking at things, and I'm good for re-recording until I get it the way that I want it to look. So let's go ahead and get into this mermaid inspired look. So first I'm going to start by filling in my brows with this color right here. If any of you have seen any of my other makeup tutorials, you will see that I'm going to use the same technique as if I was doing my eyebrows with my brow pencil. So I'm just going to fill it in with this color right here. And guys, I tried using like matte lip gloss to fill in my brows, and I didn't like the way it looked. It just looked so messy. It didn't give me like a sharp look. So I'm going to try filling it in with this powder, seeing if it gives me a better look and not look so messy. Okay guys, so I had Justin and Coco right up under me as I was doing this, and Coco was doing some nasty stuff. So as you can see in my face, it was just like, ugh, gross. But anyway, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna carve out my brows with my L'Oreal True Match Concealer in Chaud. And don't worry guys, I'll have all of the products that I'm using down in the description down below. I don't know if you guys can notice the difference, but I actually purchased a new camera. I purchased the Canon T6i, so guys, bear with me because I'm trying to show you products, seeing if it's going to autofocus and stuff like that. So just bear with me. This is a trial and error type of thing. I will get better at whatever doesn't look good, so don't worry. So I'm just going to continue to carve out my brows until I get that look that I want. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get into this face. I'm going to do my makeup as I normally would. I'm going to go ahead and color correct because I do have dark circles under my eyes, around the sides of my mouth. So I'm going to go ahead and color correct with this orange corrector by LA Girl. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out. Okay, so next I'm going to go in and I'm going to conceal up under my eyes with the concealer, the same concealer that I used to carve out my eyebrows. And I'm actually going to use a lot of this just because I want the colors that I'm going to put on my face for that scale-like effect to be extremely pigmented. So I'm going to use a lot of this, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Okay, so I know I look pretty crazy right now, so to bring some color back into my face, I'm going to use my black Opal foundation stick in Beautifully Bronzed, and I'm just going to put that all over my face where I didn't put any concealer at. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to use my favorite buffer brush by Morphe M439, and I'm going to spray that brush with my Badescu spray. You guys know the drill if you've seen my other makeup tutorials. And then I'm just going to go in and pat that into my skin and blend it all out. Okay, so now that I got that blending done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and set my under eye with that Spun loose powder from Walmart, and I'm just going to set it so we won't get any creasing. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight my nose, my forehead, my pubic bow, and my chin. And I'm using that same concealer I used to highlight my under eye and also carve out my brows, my L'Oreal True Match. And then we're going to blend, blend, blend. Okay guys, now it's time for the fun part. So, you know the mermaids, they have like that scaly skin, that scaly finish. So what I'm going to do to get that look is I'm going to take this crochet cap and I'm going to use all of these colors that I'm swiping the brush across, and I'm just going to pat that over top of the crochet cap. So what's that going to do when I take it off? You guys will see what's going to happen. But this is one of the things that you really need to get that scale-like finish. So I'm going to put this on my face, and then when I come back, it's going to be like magic. Okay guys, so I'm applying this eyeshadow where I normally contour and where I highlight my face at. You guys can apply it wherever you like, wherever you prefer, but I'm just applying it wherever I think the scales will look pretty. So you just do whatever you feel. You don't have to do the way that I'm doing it, but this is the way that I'm doing mine. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take this cap off so we can see what it's looking like. And voila, it looks really pretty. I'm so happy with the way that it came out. And like I said, you can apply yours wherever you like. This is just the way I've decided to do mine. I'm going to go in and I'm going to clean up my brows because after putting the cap on, it did mess them up a little bit. So I'm just going to go back in and I'm going to clean those up a bit. Okay, so next I'm going to go in and highlight my face with this shade right here. I'm going to highlight where I would normally highlight at. I'm going to do the highest points of my cheek, my nose, my forehead, my pubic belt, and my chin. And I'm just going to continue to spray the brush as I apply the eyeshadow to get it as pigmented as possible on my skin. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm going to go in and I'm going to prime my eyes with the concealer that I've been using throughout this whole video, the L'Oreal True Match. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger, and I'm just going to do it in a tapping motion, making sure I get it all over my eye. This is going to help the eyeshadow apply flawlessly. After applying the eyeshadow as my primer, I want to go in with the Spun loose powder, and I'm just going to set my eyelids to prevent any type of creasing. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm going to use those 3 purple shades that I showed you guys when I was applying the eyeshadow to my face. I'm going to use the lighter purple shade as my transition color, the medium purple shade in my crease, and then the darker purple shade I'm going to put on my outer corner, and then I'm going to blend that up into my crease. So my eyes, for the most part, will be purple with glitter. Okay, so now it's time to apply the glitter. I'm going to use this shade right here by Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to go in with this flat brush, and I'm going to pick up as much as I can. Because, guys, listen, when they say you get what you pay for, it's so true. You have to pick up so much of this to get it extra sparkly, and it really doesn't last that long. So, I mean, it served its purpose. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to draw me on a winged eyeliner. I think this is the Tatted Inked one. I can't remember, but I'll definitely have it listed down in the description down below. And I'm going to go in with that darker purple shade, and I'm going to put this on my bottom waterline. Now for this, I'm going to build this color up until I get it to the darkness that I like. So I'm going to continue to apply it until I get it to the color that I want it to be. Now it's time to apply lashes, and today, once again, it was a struggle for me. I think I jinxed myself by saying I was getting better and quicker at applying them. And now that I have these lashes on, this was my favorite part of applying this look. This is glitter, the chunky glitter that I actually got from Amazon. And what I'm going to use to apply it is eyelash glue. And even though this is black, it's okay because the glitter is actually, you're not going to be able to see it once you put the glitter on. This was the most tedious and time consuming part, but I really like doing this part, so I'm just going to take this little eyelash thing that I use for my eyelashes, and I'm just going to pick the glitter up, and then I'm just going to put this over top of wherever I put the glue. As you can see, you don't even see the black dot. So I took a break from applying the glitter, and I decided to go in on my neck with that purple shade just to bring it down into my neck and my chest a little bit. As you can see, I'm still applying the glitter. You decide wherever you want to put it. You don't have to do it like mine. I'm just placing it wherever I feel like it'll look pretty or wherever I want to put it. And yeah, you just continue to do that until you're satisfied and feel like you have enough of the glitter all over your face and over your body. So now I'm going in and applying this lip color from the beauty supply store. It's by Absolute New York. It's a matte purple color. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lips. Mostly everything in this video I did get from the beauty supply store. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to putting the wig on. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is also my first YouTube Halloween tutorial. I am extremely proud of myself for following through and finishing it. I hope you guys liked this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until my next one, deuces.